We are going to be turning our toilet from these to these in a very super affordable way in under an hour with just one product. Let me tell you, when I saw this toilet when I was moving in, I was in distress. Yani nilikuwa nimejam because what is it? And as you can see from this video, is the stains zimetoka, okay? So today we are going to be using these miracle vacuum products, and the best part is it is only 100 shillings. Imagine turning a toilet from having all these tough stains, yani inakaa ni kama usukuange, into having the cleanest whitest stain, na unaona ukimwagilia inaanza kufeed and immediately inaanza kufanya kazi, inaanza kutoka. And you want to know what the secret product is? Drum roll. Wait, and did I mention the product is only 100 shillings for 500 ml? Did I mention that? And the good thing is, unaweza itumia kwa choo. You can actually even use it on your tiles, and it is super effective. All you have to do, okay, is take your little miracle water and pour it on the toilet. Okay, I repeat, do not forget to pour it under the rim, because that is where the tough stains like to hide. Hapo under the rim imenisumbua sana. So make sure you pour apple under the rim and leave it for a few minutes, maybe 30 to 45. So, and please make sure you have your gloves on because it's a little bit itchy. And then make sure you have a mask or be in a very well ventilated space. Another hack before I tell you the name of the product is so do you see at this point I closed the bottle and then I pricked some holes at the top of the cap. Yeah, that is the most effective. I don't know why I never thought about that. And the miracle backer is drum roll HCL. Yeah, you all got it right. Look at that. Look at all that grime. And I don't know why when I came to clean the toilet, I came with shorts. Please be well dressed because the moment that HCL touches the skin, it starts to become itchy, okay? Like I was telling you guys, apple under the brim ilikuwa imekataa kutoka because apparently not enough HCL got into that part. So we decided to scrape it off. Because yeah, I want a clean toilet. And when my fundi was scraping it off, so I decided to rinse out the HCL. You have to rinse it all out before you start cleaning your toilet, okay? And then, as if that was not enough, after scraping it off and all the grime was gone, guess what? I remembered I did not buy a toilet cleaner. Who does that? Yeah, I literally went shopping, but I forgot. This girl over here forgot to buy a toilet cleaner. Why, you may ask? I do not know. Anyway, so if you have such stubborn stains, make sure you, and also please use gloves because I told you it is going to be itchy. Okay, if you touch it, it's going to be itchy. So make sure you wear gloves. Make sure you rinse it all off before you go in with the toilet cleaners, and make sure your mouth and nose are covered. Okay, because you're going to feel some type of way. Okay, and you feel like if it is too much, please just leave the room for a few minutes. I actually poured and left the house for a few minutes and then I came back. It was not as pungent as before. So to those who are living in salty water areas like Kitengela, all you have to go do is go buy HCL. So where do you buy your HCL? So if you're living in Kitengela like me, you're going to go behind Eastmart, okay? Hapo Nini's Mall. Utengene hiyo ako ka corridor ka Nini's Mall until utokelezee huko nyuma, you're going to see Samaritan detergent, okay? Just go there and tell them to give you HCL. 500 ml goes for what? Goes for 100 shillings. So like yeah, all you need is 100 shillings and your toilet is going to be as good as me. So I am going to be leaving you as I continue cleaning the toilet. See you in the next one. Do not forget to share and subscribe for more amazing videos. I'm reviving my YouTube career. So now I decided to wash my toilet with Nini, Sabuni, Sunlight, Omo, because I didn't have anything else. Okay, and make sure you scrub it thoroughly. Okay, and rinse. Please make sure you rinse it so good. Okay, because of the HCL, you don't want it hurting your skin or burning your skin or burning your family. Okay. So that is all for today. Be sure to leave a like, be sure to leave your thoughts, be sure to leave a follow. So bye. See you in the next time. It's been your girl at B2B. And yo, wait, we might be changing this style to Kundina B, so stick around and see.
Deserve good bang. This for the diamond, a head full of rain. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. A baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you. Your true beauty's description looks so good that it hurts. You're a dime plus 99 and it's a shame. Don't even know what you're worth. Everywhere you go, they stop and stare, cause you're bad and it shows. From your head to your toes, out of control. Baby, you know what you want. Baby, you never worry about what I do. I be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserves good bang. This for the diamond, a head full of rings. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Oh, baby, good love and protection. Oh, make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love you. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love you. Yeah.
I had to give you. It's only been a year. Now I got my foot through the door, and I ain't gonna quit. It took a while to get me, and I'm gonna take my time. Don't fight that bullshit when you're in. Now let me blow your mind. Yeah, I had to give you. It's only been a year. Now I got my foot through the door, and I ain't gonna quit. It took a while to get me, and I'm gonna take my time. Don't fight that bullshit when you're in. Now let me blow your mind.
Drop your glasses, shake your asses, face screwed up like you having hot flashes. Which one? Pick one. This one classic. Red one.